Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Arsalan and today we are on day 76 of solving the object-oriented programming questions with the help of Python. If you are very new to this channel, let me give you a very brief introduction of what this playlist is all about. So we started from a very basic question, very basic idea of object-oriented programming from day 1, and then we have increased the bar of object-oriented programming from day 1 to day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 and so on and so forth. So we have been increasing the difficulty level and we have been discussing the different multiple concept of object oriented programming from day 1 till day 76. We have been discussing all the concepts which we have covered so far. So we have discussed so many concepts yet, and today's topic to discuss is abstraction. So we will be doing question based on abstraction today. So the question is based on abstraction. If you do not know and you do not have any idea about abstraction, you can just watch my tutorial on day 70th where I have discussed in detail about abstraction, and right from day 70th I have been discussing the question and I have been doing question based on abstraction. So today also I will be doing question, in fact we will be doing question based on abstraction together. So now let's create an abstract class called product with an abstract method calculate total price. So we have to first of all create a class called abstract class called product, and we have to then we have to implement a method called calculate abstract method calculate total price. That will be abstract method. Implement two subclasses book and electronics that inherit from product and provide their own implementation for calculating total price. So we have to provide their own implementation. There we will be having subclasses, two subclasses book and electronics that inherit from product and provide their own implementation for calculating total price. So first of all, let's create a parent class here. That will be our class product. Now this is right now a concrete class. This is a concrete class. Now what is concrete? Concrete means it is concrete class, which means that it is not hidden. And then we will be having a method called calculate area. So def, I will be writing def calculate total price. This will be my method. It will be not calculate area, in fact it will be total calculate total price. It will be calculate total price. It will be the name of the method, and then after this I have to write self in between those parentheses, and after that I have to put a colon and press enter. And after that I will be passing this value and I will be showing it to you something that this is right now a concrete class, and this is our concrete method. Okay, so we have a concrete class and concrete method, which means that they are not hidden. We can use it anywhere. Alright, so let me show it to you that what I mean here is that if I say that A is equals to product, or I can say that shoes is equals to product, and then if I just say a dot calculate shoes dot calculate total price and run the code, we will be not seeing any error. Alright, so we are not seeing any error. Alright, so we are not seeing any error. So what we will be doing next here is I will be showing it to you that how we can convert this method, this class and this method, concrete method and concrete class, into our abstract class. So before that I will be just creating two subclasses. Let's create two subclasses which includes book and electronics. So let's create two subclasses. The first class is child class book, and then we will be writing class book and close it by parentheses, and inside those parentheses I will be writing the name of the parent class, that is product, and then I will be just writing def in it, or I will be writing def calculate area, def calculate price directly, and I will be just commenting this method for now, and I will be showing it to you something before I write the name. So let's just understand the concept of abstraction here, that if I just create a method called definfo and I just print a value, any random value, let's say I print this is a book. If I say that this is a book here, and if I just create an instance here, book is equals to book and close it by parenthesis, and then if I just say book dot info and close it by parenthesis and run the code, you will be seeing that we got a message printed as this is a book. So we are not getting any error yet. But if I just convert this concrete method to my abstract method, so we can just do it like this: from abc import abc abstract method. So we have imported two things from abc. We have imported two things from abc. We have imported abc class and abc abstract method. So we have imported abc class and also we have imported abstract method. And right now if I just inherit this product into our abc class, right now we have converted this into f class to concrete class to abstract class. So we have converted this to concrete class to abstract class, and we have converted this we will be converting this method to abstract method. So how we will be converting this to abstract method, let me show it to you. But before I convert this method into abstract method, let me show it to you one thing, that if I just try to run the code, you will be seeing an error. This is a book, it's coming, this is a book here, and it's showing shoes is equals to product. Alright, so we have to just create a method before doing that. So let's create a method called abstract method, and if I try to run the code here, you will be seeing an error. See, can't instantiate abstract class product with abstract method total calculate total price. So what it means here, that we cannot run the code without creating this method inside our book class. So we have to create this method, and then if I just write anything here, let me just pass this value. Even if I just pass this value, then also I can run the code. You can see we can run the code, but this is something else which we are getting. What we are getting an error because we cannot instantiate the abstract method. We cannot instantiate, which means we cannot create an instance for our abstract class. So right now product is our abstract class, so we cannot create or instantiate abstract class for this. So let me comment down this here and comment down this too, and if I try to run this code, we will be seeing no error and we will be getting message as this is a book. See, we are getting this is a book as a printed value. Similarly, I will be creating a method for my electronics here as well. Alright, so let's just create electronics electronic, and I will be just removing this info method from here and from here too, and I will be just implementing the logic on the method of book and electronics, which has the same name as calculate total price. So the logic I will be applying here is that we have to implement implementation for calculating the total price, and it will be depending on the book and electronic. So what we can do here is we can just take some instance attribute here and write def init here, and then we can just include some instance attribute, and the instance attribute I will be including here, it will be first of all def init self, and it will be name of the product and quantity of the product, and then price. So these three instance attributes I will be taking. So I'll be writing self dot name is equals to name, self dot price is equals to price, and self dot quantity is equals to quantity. Alright, so now I have three instance attributes, and now I will be inheriting these three instance attribute into my book class as well. So to do that, I will be using supernet function here, and after this I will be writing name, quantity, price, and for book product I will be including tax here. So let's just include a tax here to calculate the total price for my book. So name, quantity, price, and one more attribute I will be including here, that will be my tax. So I will be writing self dot tax is equals to tax, and then to calculate the price, what I will be doing here is I will be first of all uh, writing the quantity and the price and including the tax. So the total price will be equal to quantity self dot quantity into self dot price into take tax. So tax could be any value divided by uh, let's say it is 5, so 5% is tax, so it will be by 100, so 5 divided by 100. All right, or if you do not want to include this, you can just put it directly here, any tax value, and then I will be just returning this total price value. And the same similar kind of concept I will be applying to my electronics, but I will be not including a tax here. I will be just including something else, but before that I will be just inheriting my instance attribute into my electronics class, and I will be including a very attribute here, an argument here, which will be my warranty fee. So it will be warranty fee, and then I have to introduce that warranty fee attribute here, warranty fee is equals to warranty fee, and then I can just include a logic here, and then that will be my total price is equals to self dot quantity into self dot price into tax, so into warranty fee, so self dot warranty fee, and then I can just return this total price. All right, so right now I have introduced two logic here, and that then it should work fine. Now I have to create instance for my book and electronics too. So for book I'll be taking four attributes here. First of all, it will be a name. Let's say book name is book A, or I can just write a kite runner. Kite runner is the name of the book. And then second, I have a quantity, let's say I have 5, and then I have a price of 100, and a tax fee is, let's say 5, so it will be 0.05 when it will be calculated, because I have divided by 100 here. I have divided by 100, so it will be 0.05, so 5% I have put it here, and then it will be divided by 100. All right, so if I just calculate the book dot calculate total area, sorry, total price, calculate total price, and it will be just giving me no value because I haven't printed, so I have to print this value too. So print, I'll be just writing print, and then I can just run the code and show it to you that I'm getting 25 as my answer. So this is how I have calculated my total price of the book, which will be including quantity as well as price as well as the tax. All right, so this is how the logic will work here. All right, now we can just calculate the calculate for electronics too. All right, so let's just create an instance for electronics too. Electronic is equals to electronics, and then it will be including some electronic value, let's say earphones, and then I have a quantity as 10, and then I have a quantity as 10, and price as let's say 200, and then I have a I have a warranty fee as, let's say 500, and then if I just say electronic dot calculate total price, and then if I try to run the code, you will be seeing that I'm getting 25. Because I haven't printed this value yet, I have to print this value too. So I have to print this value to get my printed value, and we should get 500. I can just reduce this value to 50. 500 is too much, so 50 into 10, 500. 500 into 2 will be 1000. So let's see. Yeah, we are getting the value as 1. It should be 50 into 200, so it will be, yeah, so we are getting the correct value as we have calculated. So it will be 1 cents, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So it will be 1 lakh, the total price if if you buy 10 earphones, and each worth rupees 200, and the warranty fee is 50. So for each of them, the total calculated price will be 1 lakh. So this is how we have calculated the things here. So I hope that you have understood the concept of abstraction here, that how we have implemented the concept of abstraction here, and how we have solved the question, and how we have converted the concrete class to abstract class. And these two classes called book and electronics are concrete class, and this product class was earlier a concrete class, but then we have converted that concrete class to abstract class through a method, through a logic where we have imported ABC from ABC, and also we have imported abstract method. So this is how the things will work in our abstraction. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial on day 76. If you have any doubt, you can just ask me in the comment section, and see you next time.